So here's the rub. Somehow, we have to have complex astrophysical engineering conversations using nothing but a still frame camera from 1996. Luckily, the camera does spin, so I can make an alphabet. Can't be our alphabet. It's only 6 characters plus a question card, and it's 360. It gives us 13 degrees of arc. That's way too narrow. Never know what the camera is pointing at. Hexadecimals. Hexadecimals to the rescue. I figured one of you guys kept an ASCII table lying around, and I was right. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you super nerd Beth Johansson, who also had copies of Sword 2 and Leather Goddesses of Phobos on her personal laptop. Seriously, Johansson. It's like the Smithsonian of loneliness on there. Not that I'm complaining. Yes. Who am I to talk about loneliness? I know where he's going with this. Make sure everything's check. There. Way to go. Everything's there. Good, it's fine. It's good. Let's go. Everything's there. Check. Good. Signal's alright. Checking. Signal. Yes. Yep, okay. Good. Vincent, wake up. Now that we can have more complicated conversations, the smart people at NASA have sent me instructions on how to hack the rover so that it can talk to Pathfinder. If I hack a tiny bit of code, just 20 instructions in the rover's operating system, NASA can link the rover to Pathfinder's broadcasting frequency, and we're in business. Mark, this is Vincent Kapoor. We've been watching you since Sol 54. The whole world is rooting for you. Amazing job getting Pathfinder. We're working on rescue plans. Meantime, we're putting together a supply mission to keep you fed until Ares 4 arrives. Okay, glad to hear it. Really looking forward to not dying.